Hi, I'm David Ion, and today I've got one of our batteries that we developed for garage door openers. So I don't know if you have a backup battery in your garage door opener, but if you have a beeping sound in your garage that's very annoying, you might have it. So today we're going to replace that with a battery that I developed that it'll run about 15,000 cycles, which is almost 30 years of life. So much better than the one that goes out every couple years. So we'll show you how to replace it. All right, so I'm gonna climb up this ladder. I already took the cover off of this, and basically this is just a small 12 volt standard battery. It's a 5 amp hour AGM battery, which the cycle life on these is only about 5,000. But in our tests, on the one I developed right here, this one got 15,000 cycles. So quite a bit more. And this weighs, I don't know, 3 pounds. This weighs less than a pound probably. So I'll actually weigh it and put it in the comments. So I'm gonna hop back up here. It's a really easy swap. It just slides right in. Slides right in. Put the negative on the negative, positive on the positive. You just grab your cover. So this little plastic cover was on there when I took it out. And this is the battery enclosure case. So you just put that in there. All right. Put the screw back in there. Not very hard. Like I said, this whole process is really easy, and people will charge you a fortune to replace this, and they'll give you this subpar battery that's really not very good. So that in there and just pop this back on. There you go, good to go. This is a standard Liftmaster Elite. It has the backup battery to lift it up when your power goes out. And so I just replaced that with a high cycle lithium battery, and that should last for years, and I'm not gonna have that annoying beeping in my garage anymore. So I'm David Ion, thanks for tuning in.